Gilt. Now repeat after me. Gilt, gilt, gilt. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, gilt refers to a thin layer of gold or something that looks like gold covering a surface. It can also be used metaphorically to describe something that appears valuable or attractive on the outside, but may not be as valuable as it seems underneath. In a sentence, the antique frame was covered in gilt, giving it a shiny golden appearance. Another example, despite the gilt on the trophy, it was made of cheap materials underneath. Synonyms. Some words similar to gilt are gold-plated, covered with a thin layer of gold; golden, having the appearance or color of gold; lustrous, shining or gleaming. Antonyms, the opposite of gilt would be words like dull, lacking brightness or shine; tarnished, when metal, especially gold or silver, has lost its shine due to oxidation. Part of speech. Gilt is a noun, meaning it refers to a thing, specifically the layer of gold or gold-like material on a surface. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.